Greetings, or in Scots, greetings. My name is Matthew. I run Scots Hoose. Scots Hoose is currently running a competition to see who can write the best ghost or horror story in Scots. This video has been specially prepared to give you tips and information on how to write the scariest piece of writing in Scots imaginable. I wish you all the very best. More details in a wee minute.
Go on, I dare you. Open it. Kyle was really starting to annoy me. He got me to come here on Old Castleway on Halloween. What was he even doing here? Open the door, he said. No, I said. That's 'cause you're feared. No, I'm no, I said. But I was. There was no way I was opening that door. Castle Briss was supposed to be haunted by a grey soldier. A soldier that'd been left here to die in Castle Dungeon about 500 years ago. We were standing in a gloomy stained corridor right outside the dungeon. Legend said that anybody who opened the dungeon door on Halloween would be haunted by a grey soldier for the rest of their life. The door to the dungeon was covered in cobwebs. It looked like it would fall apart if we touched it. Open the door and go in, you big fearty, said Kyle. After you, I said. All right, said Kyle. Out my road. Kyle gulped down a big breath of air and pushed open the old wooden door.
Lost. I'm lost. We shouldn't have come this way, it was a shortcut. That's all. Now I dinna ken where I am. All the streets look the same. But there's police. That's a relief. I'll just ask him. Maybe he'll take me to the sports centre. Hello, I say. No answer. He's got his back to me. Excuse me, I'm a wee bit lost. Nothing. He's just staring at the wall. I'm right behind him. I tap his shoulder. The big police burrows round and I can't catch my breath. All I see is twa red een burning like coals in a bane white skull. I bite my lip and I get ready to run. The police has no face.
Tain. She's walking, all alone, in the dark, in the rain, just away and getting home. Turns the corner, still pitch black, still strange. The man, again, the white van. He's back. She runs. He follows her, grabs her. Doors done shut. Tires skite. Engine wars down the road. She's gone.